Today I'm going to walk you through how to scan documents directly into Adobe Acrobat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn physical papers into clean, searchable PDFs, perfect for organizing files, sharing important information, or going paperless. Let's jump right in and make it easy. First off, before you open any software, take a moment to make sure your scanner is all set up. You want your scanner connected to your computer, powered on and ready to go. Place the document you want to scan on the scanner bed nice and flat, or slide it into the automatic document feeder if you have one and you're scanning a stack of pages. A quick tip: make sure your document isn't wrinkled or curled, as that can affect the scan's quality. If you're scanning something with staples or paper clips, remove those too. Your scanner will thank you. Once your scanner is ready, open up Adobe Acrobat. Just double-click the icon like you normally would. Acrobat is a robust workspace for digital documents, and it's going to be the place where your paper gets transformed into a digital file you can work with. Inside Acrobat, let's find the scanning tool. Look up at the top global bar where you'll see the Create option. Click that and choose Scanner. If that doesn't pop up, head over to the Tools tab on the upper left and select Scan and OCR. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition, but don't worry about the jargon. Just know it helps convert your scanned images into readable, searchable text. Now you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your scanner. Acrobat should automatically detect any connected scanners, but if you have more than one, double-check you're choosing the right device. Sometimes the scanner's brand name or model will help you pick it out. Let's talk about settings for a second, because tailoring these will give you exactly what you want. First, color mode. If your document is just black and white text, say a contract, letter, or invoice, choosing black and white is usually the way to go. But if you have colored graphics, photos, or official forms, try color photograph or grayscale. If you're ever unsure, auto detect is a safe bet. It'll try to match the document and simplify things for you. Next, page options. If you're scanning a single page or only one side, select front side. Have a stack of double-sided documents, pick both sides. If you're using a flatbed scanner and have a multi-page document, you can choose prompt to scan more pages, and Acrobat will pause after every scan, letting you add the next page, kind of like turning the pages in a book. Resolution is up next. That's how sharp your scan will look. For most Office documents, 300 dpi is plenty. It keeps the quality high but doesn't make your file size unwieldy. For high-quality images or graphics, you can go higher, but remember, larger files take up more space and may slow things down a little. Decide where you want the scan to go. Are you creating a brand new PDF or appending pages to an existing file? Acrobat lets you do either, which is handy if you're compiling lots of documents into a single file. Don't forget the Recognize Text or OCR option. Ticking this box is super useful if you want to be able to search for words later, copy and paste text, or make edits. Otherwise, your scan is just an image, great for archiving but less flexible if you need to work with the text. Once your settings are dialed in, click Scan. This part might take a moment, especially if you've chosen a high resolution or are scanning several pages. If you're scanning a pile of papers with a flatbed, Acrobat will prompt you after each page. Just follow along, flipping and adding pages until you're done. When scanning's finished, you'll see a preview in Acrobat. Take a minute to look over each page, rotate if anything's upside down, delete a page if you accidentally scan your hand, it happens, or rearrange the order if needed. This is your chance to make sure everything looks perfect. Finally, save your PDF by going to File, then Save As. Give your document a name you'll remember, pick a folder and click Save. You now have a crisp, searchable PDF with all the benefits of your original document, ready to email, file, or use however you need. And that's it. You've successfully scanned with Adobe Acrobat, turned paper into digital magic, and taken a step towards more organized files. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.